Hey guys, how y'all doing? Listen, in this video, I'm putting a faucet in for a good friend of mine. She's my neighbor, okay? Water is running, the tap won't stop, so water bill is high. So you know when you get that little drip drip, they add up, okay? So in this video, I'm about to change the faucet for her. I will be changing the faucet for her. And I have to say this, if you do not or have not ever done this before, get a plumber to do it for you, okay? Because if you don't, you'll come home and meet an indoor swimming pool at your house, okay? So if you've never done it before, like I said, get a plumber, okay? I did this before, so that's why I'm doing this and I'm showing you guys. It's not that hard, but then again, let me save you in trouble. Just take a look at the video. Just take a look at the video.
First, turn off main line. Subscribe to see more videos. Then turn off in-house line. First, take a good look of what you need to do to complete the job. Here is the new faucet. First, start disconnecting your water lines. To watch more in the near future, subscribe. Remember to put a little bucket or pail to catch dripping water. Please like and share this video. Now time to remove old housing assembly. Now remove drain assembly. Now you can remove the old faucet. Now clean the surface thoroughly before putting new faucet in. Now apply Teflon tape to the line connect for a proper seal. Now, make sure that the faucet seats properly on the surface before tightening down. Now put in the drain assembly. To watch more in the near future, subscribe. Now put in the washer and nut assembly. Now proceed to tighten down faucet to the surface of the sink. Now time to connect and tighten water line to the faucet. Now, we're reconnecting the drain assembly. Now turn on the main line. Now turn on house line.
So far, so good.
Checking for leaks. Now turning on the faucet. Checking the drain. Double checking for leaks. Now we're all done. Remember to share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the
Did you like
notification
it?
bell for
See,
future
it
videos.
was simple, you know what I mean? But it was a tight area, but I managed to change it. So once again, if you haven't done this before, get yourself a plumber, okay? Once again, I love you guys. Y'all take care, and I'll see you again real soon. God bless.